the industrial Internet of Things, digitization, artificial intelligence. The world of work is undergoing profound changes. In the factory of the future, people will have more responsibility than ever before. The new motto is man-machine collaboration. It's not enough to hire new staff to do the job. Companies also have to ensure that their employees are qualified. Automatica's Trend Index 2018 shows that the majority of respondents are in favour of this new human-robot collaboration. Employees see it as a chance to gain further qualifications and advance their careers. The Munich-based startup University4Industry sees this as a key to success. Its online university is offering digital learning for industry. In my view, the qualification for digitization issue is one that affects all companies. And it will have an impact on all employees in those companies too, because everyone is going to be affected. We believe that online education can be a very important component when it comes to solving this question of employee qualification. Accordingly, since 2015 we've been building up an online learning platform on which we've been presenting relevant knowledge about digitization, topics such as the industrial Internet of Things, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and also topics like blockchain or how to be agile in a team. And that way, we've provided learning content that will make the learning process efficient and effective for employees. The benefits for employees who study with us at University4Industry are that, ultimately, they understand what opportunities are offered by digitization and by certain other technologies such as machine learning, and also what they can learn for their specific areas of responsibility and for their jobs. And they learn how to do it from experts. They get a theoretical foundation. I think that's very, very important. And it's equally important that there are practical examples as well. And one example that appeals to me very much as far as the field of machine learning is concerned is, how does a machine actually learn? And what do I have to do to enable a machine to learn from data? We have a data set of Titanic passengers. If these data are properly adjusted, processed slightly, and then put into a computer, you can teach the computer using just 3 lines of code to correctly predict whether the passengers will survive or not survive. Not everyone has to learn to program, but you do have to be able to recognize opportunities. You have to be in a position to assess things, for instance by consulting the right technologies. But not everyone is going to have to implement machine learning themselves.